Hi again. So there's not going to be a big difference in this video. I guess the major thing in this particular one is that you'll start to see the entire frame removed. So by the time this video is over with, that whole window will pretty much be gone, and then we'll be duplicating all the parts, all the different wood pieces inside the window to begin the actual restoration and putting it all together. So for now, enjoy some more music. By the way, there's limited amount of songs with these videos, so I apologize if you don't like any of the music, but I am trying my best to pick out the best stuff here. Bye for now. Hope you enjoy.